Hey everybody! Today's lesson is all about lines. We can find lines all over the place. Some of the lines that I've identified are straight lines, squiggly lines, dotted lines, zigzag lines, dashes, clouds, castle, looped, ocean wavy lines, mouse ears, lightning. Oops, this one got cut off. This one was spirals. There are lines all over the place. Let's have a look at the beach and see what we can find with some lines.
Hey everybody, today we're looking for lines. Can you use your artist binoculars to help find some lines here at the beach? Let's take a look. Do you see some lines? I see lines here on the mountain. I also see lines here in the trees. Let's see if we can explore and find some more lines.
Okay everybody, now that we've been able to identify some lines, let's have a look at how we can create art with lines. What kind of lines have I used here? Let me show you how I created my line painting. First, have a look at all the different lines that you can use. Choose 3 or 4 different lines and create a drawing with some crayons. Use 3 or 4 different colors for the best result. Next, I used watercolors to fill in all the white space. If you don't have watercolors, some tempera paint will do, or you could use some markers. I used colors that were different than the ones that I used with the crayons. Using different colors makes the paintings more interesting. Okay everybody, now that you know how to use lines to make your own art, I can't wait to see what you come up with. Have fun, be creative. Ciao, ciao, bye!